Life isn't always fun or easy. It's more like a tough game that we have to play every day. It's a struggle against being lazy and giving up. But do you want to know what separates people who succeed from those who don't? It's discipline. Discipline means doing things you might not like, but doing them anyway because they help you reach your goals. Success doesn't just come from being talented or lucky. It comes from being disciplined, doing the hard things even when you don't feel like it. Think about it. How many times have you looked at yourself and thought, I could do better? Maybe you've wanted to start a new habit or do something important, but then it feels easier to stay comfortable and not push yourself. That's because your brain likes staying where it's safe. But that's not how you grow. To grow, you need to break free from that comfort zone. Discipline is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it stays weak. But if you push it and work on it every day, it gets stronger. Most people wait for motivation to come before they start doing something hard. They think they'll wait until they feel like it. But the truth is, motivation doesn't show up every day. Some days you'll feel tired, lazy, or even scared to do the work. That's when discipline steps in. Discipline is about showing up even when you don't want to. It's about making a decision that no matter how you feel, you're going to do the work anyway. Successful people don't rely on their feelings to guide them. They rely on discipline. They act even when they don't feel like it. Imagine waking up at 5 a.m. to go for a run. It's cold outside and you'd rather stay in bed. But here's the thing. It's not about what feels good right now. It's about who you want to be tomorrow. Do you want to be someone who gives up or someone who keeps going no matter what? Ask yourself, what would my future self thank me for doing today? Maybe it's exercising, studying for that test, or finishing that project. Whatever it is, doing the hard stuff now makes tomorrow easier. Don't wait for the right moment. Don't wait for motivation to magically show up. Start now. Push through the discomfort. Every time you choose to do something hard, you're building your discipline muscle, and it gets easier over time. Think of it like climbing a mountain. The path is steep, and your legs might hurt, but every step you take brings you closer to the top. No one is going to carry you there. It's up to you. You need to take responsibility for your journey. You need to decide that no matter how hard it gets, you're going to keep moving forward. Some people wait for shortcuts or easy ways to succeed, but here's the truth. There are no shortcuts. The easy way doesn't get you far. Real success takes time, effort, and a lot of hard work. And discipline is what helps you keep going when things get tough. When you make discipline a habit, it changes everything. You stop looking for the easy way out. You stop blaming other people or making excuses. You start to realize that your success is in your hands. You control it by the choices you make every day. Throughout my life, I've learned that discipline is key to achieving anything important. It's not just about getting up early or finishing your homework. It's about being consistent in everything you do. When you're disciplined, you can trust yourself to get things done, no matter how hard they seem. Being disciplined doesn't just make you stronger or more successful. It gives you freedom. When you control your actions and habits, you get to live life the way you want. You aren't a slave to laziness or distractions. You're in charge, but discipline takes practice. It's like a workout for your mind. The more you practice, the better you get at it. It's not about being perfect every time. It's about showing up and trying your best day after day. Here's how you can build discipline in your own life. Start by creating what I call non-negotiables. These are things you must do every day no matter what. Maybe it's exercising for 30 minutes, reading for an hour, or finishing your homework on time. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that pushes you towards your goals. Once you set these non-negotiables, stick to them. Even if you don't feel like it, even if you're tired, do them anyway. That's how you build discipline. Over time, it becomes a habit, and soon you won't even have to think about it. It'll just be part of who you are. The more you practice discipline, the more you'll see how it can change your life. Every time you choose to do the hard thing, you're training your mind to be stronger. And when your mind is strong, you can handle anything. You don't need motivation to succeed. Sure, it's great when you have it, but discipline is what you really need, because discipline is there every day, no matter how you feel. So start today. Decide that you're going to be disciplined in everything you do. Start with the small things, like making your bed in the morning or finishing that assignment you've been putting off. These little actions build momentum, and before you know it, you'll be tackling bigger challenges with ease. Remember, discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being relentless. It's about showing up even on the hard days and doing the work. It's about pushing yourself to be better even when you don't feel like it. You have the power to change your life. You have the power to grow, to achieve your dreams, and to be the best version of yourself. But that power comes from discipline. So what are you going to choose? The pain of discipline or the pain of regret? The choice is yours. Through hard work, you grow, and with discipline, you can achieve anything. Keep pushing, keep going, and never give up on the person you're becoming.